and approaches to criminal behavior. Biological and environmental factors. Biological and environmental factors. Positivist school of criminology. A criminological perspective that uses the scientific methods of the natural sciences and suggests that human behavior is a product of social, biological, psychological, or economic forces. The positivist school of thought in criminology is based on biologists. Most famous are Cesar Lombroso, Rafael Garofalo, and Charles Goring, are searching to find out the causes and effects of crime in human behavior and worked on the following grounds. Number 1, genetics, hereditary, and environmental. Number 2, biocriminology. Number 3, brain damage or inadequate nutrition results in criminal behavior. Number 4, influence of hormones. Number 5, chromosomal abnormalities. Number 6, allergies. Number 7, scientific investigations of brain and behavior. And number 8, scientific investigation of diet and behavior. A. Biocriminology. The subdiscipline of criminology that investigates biological and genetic factors and their relation to criminal behavior. The socio-biological work of Edward Wilson on the interrelationship of biology, genetics, and social behavior was pivotal. So were the contributions of C. Ray Jeffrey, who argued that a biosocial interdisciplinary model should be the major theoretical framework for studying criminal behavior. For example, traits might be transferred from parents to kids by genes. Biochemical imbalance or deficiencies cause deviance. 3. Sugar in blood enhances anger. 4. Vitamin deficiencies. 5. Hormonal problems. B. Genetics and criminality. Human beings are the interaction of environmental and genetic factors. Nature and nurture are important for us. Examples are XYY chromosomes, twin studies, adoption studies, the IQ debate, the debate genetics or environment. IQ and crime have their roots in the controversy over whether intelligence is genetically or environmentally determined. C. Biochemical factors. Number 1, food allergies. Number 2, diet. Number 3, hypoglycemia. Number 4, hormones. Number 5, brain lesions. Number 6, brain wave abnormalities. Number 7, minimal brain dysfunction. Criticisms of criminology. Criticisms of biocriminology. Number 1, biocriminologists deny the existence of individual free will. Number 2, are biocriminologists unfairly de emphasizing social and economic factors? Number 3, if there is a genetic predisposition to commit crime, and if minorities account for a disproportionate share of criminal activity, are minorities then predisposed to commit crimes? Are minorities then predisposed to commit crimes? Number 4, is human behavior the product of nature, genetics, or nurture, environment? Thank you, please.